Nathan with Controls Link. I'm here in Allegheny County at a major water plant that we just landed a maintenance contract for. And I'm with one of the owner of the director of water here. Or operations manager. Oh, I guess got a new title. But this is kind of an overview of what of their system, and I want JB here to give me a little overview, a little story about it.
This is a schematic of the entire system from the well field as the water enters into the plant through the water treatment softener process. And
is that here?
Yes, that's basically works as two separate plants. We have an old side and a new side. The old side has a reactor clarifier. Actually is more time it takes for the water to settle out, as opposed to the new side, it has a flash mix. Once it gets through the flash mix or the reactor clarifier, it goes on top of the filters and then into the clear well. The second process is a softener. We are a water softening plant.
That's here.
Mm-hmm. And
now this is the new side.
Right, this is the new side.
And if I pan over here,
that's the old side.
That's the old side
right.
Of the system.
And we have 6 softeners, and what we try to do there is soften the water. It makes it easier for our customers. This use of soap will be done, and it gives it a better quality of water.
How many customers do you supply water to in here in Allegheny County?
Probably about 25,000 customers.
25,000. All from about 9 wells out there across from the river?
About 14 wells.
Over this area here. It's gonna give you a little pan shot there. That's the Allegheny River here, and that's the water system.
Right.
Their aquifer, they're drawn out of the aquifers over here. Okay. I'm going to pan over here to the SCADA system. I have one of the operators here who's in camera again. But give me a little background on the SCADA system here.
The SCADA system was work in progress. We've been working on it for the last 4 or 5 years, getting it put together. We're really happy with it. It takes care of the distribution system, plus it also runs the plant itself.
Okay. The center screen here, I see a lot of looks like tanks. Are they?
That's our distribution system. That's our grid of tanks and pump stations that we use throughout the system. The operator has complete control of everything from. We have 2 different stations. We have a station on the new side of the plant and then a station in the lab. So we're able to, the operators to be able to run either system from either side. We're quite pleased with everything.
Now, all the tanks I see here are you pump from the central plant here up to all these.
Mm-hmm.
What's the furthest one away?
The furthest one away would be probably be about
East Telephone
maybe 20, maybe 10 mile.
10 mile, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And that's all being fed back now into your central system?
That would be a separate system. We have pumping stations to keep lifting the water. The further out we go, we need more pumping stations to lift the water to higher elevations.
Okay. And the SCADA set up with separate screens for each?
Sure, for each tank site, for each pumping station, and then when you get into the plant, for each unit, for each softener, for each filter. So it's down to the nitty-gritty.
And it looks like this one's the old side of the plant, and that's the new side.
Right.
You keep them up all the time on your...
It's the operator's choice. We have other screens to look at. We have a pressure screen. We also have different graph screens that the operator can look at as far as, water flow from the tanks and different combinations of screens.
Well, appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thanks for giving us a little update of your system, and
You're welcome.
may have some edits in the future.
You got it.